In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to lovable.dev for real-time data syncing. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to lovable.dev. Once the site loads, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace or project before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help you avoid connecting the wrong spreadsheet later. After you're logged in, look for the settings area inside lovable.dev. This is where you'll usually find the main configuration options for your account or project. Inside settings, navigate to integrations and then choose Google Sheets. This section is specifically designed to let you connect your spreadsheet so information can flow between your tools more smoothly. When you're on the Google Sheets integration page, click the Connect button. At this point, a Google sign-in window should appear. Go ahead and sign in with the Google account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, be careful to choose the right one, since the available spreadsheets will depend on that account's permissions. During the sign-in process, Google may ask you to review and approve access permissions. Read through the prompts and continue so lovable.dev can communicate with your Google Sheets account properly. This step is important because the integration won't work unless the necessary access is granted. Once the connection is authorized, you'll be able to select the spreadsheet you want to use. Choose the sheet that should sync with lovable.dev in real time. Before confirming, it's a good idea to double check that you've selected the correct file, especially if several spreadsheets have similar names. Real-time syncing means updates can happen quickly, so choosing the right document from the beginning helps keep your data organized and accurate. After you select the spreadsheet, the integration should be ready to use. From there, lovable.dev will be connected to your Google Sheet for live data syncing, making it easier to keep information updated without manual copy and paste. If you run into any issues, the most common causes are being signed into the wrong Google account, missing spreadsheet permissions, or selecting the wrong file. Checking those first usually solves the problem quickly. That's it. You've now connected Google Sheets to lovable.dev and set up real-time synchronization.